Guys, this is Danny at blowoutcards.com, and you're watching Blowout TV's live video box breaks. We're live on Blowout TV right now and about to break a box of 2011 Topps Triple Threads Baseball for Todd G. All right, Todd, good luck. Here we go. Triple Threads. One, two. All right, pack one and pack two. Good luck. Here we go. First card, Jackie Robinson, green, number to 249. We got a Duke Snider, 625. Eddie Murray, 1500. Honus Wagner, 1500. Got a Chase Utley, 1500. We got a Starlin Castro on-card auto jersey, Future Phenoms, 64 of 75. Very nice. All right, and we got an Albert Bell, 15 of 18 jersey. All right, pack number two. Here we go. Tony Gwynn, base, parallel, number to 99. Ryan Sandberg, 625. Tim Lincecum, 1500. Robbie Alomar, 1500. Duke Snider, 1500. We got an Ike Davis, auto bat, numbered to 50, 48 of 50. And your last hit, Cubs, Ryan Sandberg, Starlin Castro, Aramis Ramirez, North Siders, number 5 of 36. All right. Well, thanks a lot, Todd. I'll be sure to get this out for you tomorrow. Take care.